Hey everyone, this is Abbas from Tech Radar, and we've got the new Samsung Galaxy S21 series with us today. The S21 Ultra, the S21 Plus, and the regular S21. Now, Samsung's launched these phones a little bit earlier in the year than in the previous year, but you know what? I've had a brief hands-on with it, and they look like they're going to be pretty good phones, especially the Ultra. So let's take a quick look at these. In this video, I wanted to highlight the 5 things that I'm most excited about the Galaxy S21 Ultra after my brief hands-on session. Now, before we get started, I just wanted to say that the black version of the S21 Ultra looks amazing, and I prefer it much over the grey version of the last year that I wasn't a fan of. Samsung has also slightly reduced the overall size of the S21 Ultra, which makes it fit really good in your hands. The screen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the same 6.8 inches and slightly curved as its predecessor, but new to this year is the ability to use 120Hz refresh rate at Quad HD Plus resolution. The S20 Ultra only allowed you the higher resolution or the higher refresh rate, but the S21 Ultra lets you do both at the same time for the sharpest and smoothest screen. While the S Pen loses the Bluetooth functionality from the Note series, it makes good sense to allow it to be used on the S21 Ultra, which has the same massive screen size as the Note 20 Ultra. The S21 Ultra also has the low latency of the Note 20 Ultra, making writing it on the S Pen smooth and natural. It also supports my favorite S Pen feature, which is a screen of notes. The last few generations of the EXYNOS processors haven't exactly been the best, but Samsung is pushing hard with the EXYNOS 2100. While Samsung didn't allow me to install and run any benchmarks during the hands-on session, the unit felt extremely zippy navigating through the UI with no stutter or lag. I am quite excited to see what the new EXYNOS 2100 is capable of and have high hopes. Hopefully, this will kill off the Snapdragon envy on Samsung flagship phones from the past. The camera on the Galaxy S20 Ultra wasn't necessarily super impressive, primarily because of its lack of speed. The second generation of the 108 megapixel will hopefully fix that, and with 2 zoom lenses at 3x and 10x, the S21 Ultra is shaping up to be the camera phone to beat for 2021. Samsung has also improved video capabilities of the phone, and I am looking forward to testing it out under low lit conditions. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series comes with One UI 3.1, and the only thing that immediately struck me was having Google Feed instead of Samsung Daily when you swipe right from the home screen. Thank goodness for that, as Samsung's repeated multiple attempts at the feeds have never really stood out for me. I also noticed that the text messaging app was Google's instead of Samsung's, though the unit I played it wasn't equipped with the final software version. The only thing missing now is the power button menu that on other Android phones brings the payment and smart home controls. So that was a quick hands-on video with the S21 series. Can't wait to get the review units and actually test them out full time. I think these are going to be the Android phones to beat for this year. For the full review of the S21 series, stay tuned to Tech Radar. This is Abbas signing out.